Sorry about this. Hey guys, my name is Glen and I'm trying to rebuild my YouTube channel. I've been thinking about doing it for quite some time, and since I do have a long holiday, I was thinking, why not? And yeah, as for what this YouTube channel will be about, I do have a few things in mind, but I don't really want to jinx it, so I will try not to say anything much. But for starters, I do have a lot of thoughts that I'd like to share with you people. And yeah, up until this point, I have people whom I share all of my thought-provoking thoughts with. Yeah, but I'll be moving at the end of this month, and I guess it'll be quite hard to share these thoughts around in new environment. So I was thinking, why not just put in video form and share with you guys online in YouTube. And yeah, I mean, some of you guys might find it interesting, and if you do, please feel free to interact and just comment down below. And I'm not really expecting much viewers, to be honest, but yeah, if you do like it, just feel free to hit the like button. It means a lot to me. Yeah, I guess that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.